Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Plague and Watcher Realms. Plague and Watcher Realms is not an item you can collect, but a combat debuff that certain heroes can apply to enemies during battle. This effect deals area of effect magic damage over time, harming the afflicted target and nearby enemies every second. It functions similarly to other damage over time effects like poison or burn, making it useful for weakening groups of opponents consistently. To use Plague, you must include heroes in your lineup whose abilities can inflict this debuff. Some heroes have skills or ultimate abilities that apply Plague for a limited duration, while others can spread the effect to nearby enemies, increasing its overall impact during flights. Once you obtain and deploy these heroes, simply use their abilities during missions or battles to activate the debuff. Since Plague depends entirely on hero skills, your main goal should be summoning and developing characters capable of applying it, then strategically using them in a combat for maximum effectiveness. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.